Wow.
Oh, it's more like.
Wow.
Oh, that looks amazing.
Hi guys! Welcome back to Binai channel. So nice to have you here. And for the video today, we're gonna do something different. You guys like fruits?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yes.
alright. Ta-da! This is Southeast Asian fruit. Let's see if you guys know this.
We came from
Wow.
Asia, but
Yeah,
we don't know.
exactly. So
Huge.
it is here. The hint is I'm not gonna telling you what's the name. Before you guys trying anything, you have to telling me what kind of fruit is that. And after you try it, you can change it.
Yep.
Okay.
You ready?
Yeah.
Anything like from this fruit is looks familiar to you?
I think I've seen this before.
Uh-huh.
It's like melon, isn't it?
Not gonna tell.
Mango.
It's mango.
And this is a
Lychee.
no
Dragon fruit.
Bhutan. Bhutan? What was the name again?
What was the name?
I forgot the name. I like this one. Bhutan.
But how can we come up with the name?
You just randomly guessing, and because by the end of the video I'm gonna tell you what is that. I have a question before you guys starting it. So when I was in Japan, I was so shocked with the price of fruits in Japan.
Yeah.
So expensive.
Can you tell me why is it like that?
I believe we only sell the perfect one. It
Ah.
has to be perfect, no scratch, nothing.
Right.
So it's very expensive to make enough of them. That's what it feels like. What do you
I
think?
feel like we don't really have to eat fruits. We have variety of options, so we don't usually go for fruits. I don't know.
I think just import.
The
isn't it?
imported one?
Yeah,
So-
because we cannot really grow fruits.
And then I feel like most of them is very modified. So like when I came to Canada, I was so surprised how small is the peach.
All right, you
yeah.
mentioned
It's
that.
so big
Yeah.
and fluffy.
You mentioned that, yeah,
Fluffy,
like.
sweet,
yeah.
and nice and soft and everything.
It's totally contrary like in Japan, in Southeast Asia, like in Indonesia or Thailand or Laos. Fruits like grow widely in the jungle because our temperature is really nice. Like we don't have winter and everything. So we got a lot of like fruit. Okay guys, go ahead.
This is like
Yeah, I think so.
It
Yeah.
looks like a mugoshi. Yeah.
plum.
Plum, yeah.
I don't know how to cut though.
You figure it.
How do you think?
Yeah, it's definitely like.
Oh, it is.
Oh, yeah, it is.
Yeah.
Is it breakfast or what?
That's good.
Yeah, it's
I'm
like.
sorry. It doesn't.
Tanyakimasu.
Yum. So good. How do you usually? It's definitely lychee.
It's 100,000% lychee. Yeah, that's the lychee.
You got it.
Yeah, good job. How is it lychee? You guys like it?
I think the last time I ate lychee was like when I was 10.
Oh, long
Really?
time ago. It's
We
like
don't have
30
it.
years ago.
No, 5 years ago.
5 years ago. So you guys choose what's the next one?
Let's go with this gigantic blueberry.
This one?
So what you guys say? What is it?
It's blueberry.
It's blueberry?
This is. I know what it is, but I don't know the name.
Oh. Okay, tell me the name first before you cut it. You don't know.
Acai.
Asai? Okay, you go with Asai.
What did I say? I forgot the name.
Can I smell?
It's very hot.
Nothing.
Nothing,
It's like,
yeah.
yeah.
And it's hard.
It is.
Raw color.
Boom! Exactly.
Ah!
Careful, okay? I know, it makes me
Scary.
so nervous.
Does it even have a seed in
I
the
have
middle?
no idea how I can cut, so I cut here.
Let's
Oh
see.
my god! What
Wow.
is that?
I didn't expect that.
Oh.
What?
Oh.
What the? Which part? Which part
Which
we're
part
gonna
is it?
eat?
I think you're gonna dig out.
It's.
Look, it's a little
Is it soft?
spongy. The red part is a little spongy.
Ah.
It's on his face.
3 seconds.
It's like a little. Oh, it's there on the floor. That it is. Yeah. Try it, guys.
No, we can try this one.
Okay, that's the other one. Okay.
Good.
Okay, that looks good.
It's white. I thought it was like pink or bluish.
Wait, yeah, I'm just gonna
美
try
味しか
that.
った
Mm-hmm.
Can we just eat the entire thing?
Oh well, you'll figure it out.
Okay.
Peach. It's nice.
I like it.
I'm so confused.
It's okay.
It's like between peach and lychee.
Yeah.
Between
Yeah.
peach and
Like
lychee.
the texture?
Yeah, lychee, yeah.
Tasty.
Yeah, it's good. But I have no idea what it is.
Yeah, I think this is
Sweet
better.
and hot.
She loves fruits.
Yeah, first time, definitely first time.
Yeah. I know that.
Okay, it's a mangosteen.
Mango.
What?
Mangosteen. So it's nothing to do with mango. It's the name is mangosteen.
Oh.
It's kind of like wild plants though, because in my country you can find it in forest or like someone's backyard too. Okay, mangosteen.
It's good.
Definitely.
Oh, nice. Yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
Oh, rambutan.
Oh.
That's the name. It came.
Did you Google?
No. Rambutan. It's
Rambutan?
yeah. That's the correct name.
Really?
Yes,
Oh.
that is
What was-
rambutan. Go ahead, guys, give it a try.
Okay.
Looks
Oh.
disgusting.
It looks hairy.
Lychee.
Oh, it's lychee.
What's the name again?
Rambutan.
Rambutan. Okay. Oh, thank you. Ooh.
This one.
It's like grape.
It's cute.
Oh yeah.
Right?
Tastes like grape. Yeah.
Really?
It's sweeter than lychee. I like this one more like lychee. I like both of them.
It's good.
Yeah.
Oh, you like it.
It's good. It's good.
It's a little disgusting.
Hairy.
Yeah.
The name rambutan, rambut means hair. So that's pretty much like a hairy fruit.
So the name is exactly from your country then.
So I think it's like we share a name with Malaysia. They call it rambutan too. Okay, what's next?
Bread?
Yes. This is papaya, right?
Well, I don't know.
No, it's
I feel like it.
Yeah.
So what's your guess, guys?
kabocha.
Papaya.
Papaya.
Kabocha. Oh, well, that looks like one, yeah. The color. So is it what?
Papaya.
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead. Execute.
This one? No, this one. This one?
Oh, you figure it out.
Oh, it's
Oh.
so soft.
Wow.
Oh, it's more like
Wow.
That looks amazing.
wow.
Do you eat seeds or not?
No?
I
No,
don't
is it-
think.
I don't know.
I think you can eat seeds.
Try one, Masaki.
I really don't think so.
Looks like
Bubble tea.
bubble tea.
Bubble tea.
Yeah.
Oh, bubble tea made of this?
Yes.
No way.
Because
Bitter?
Bitter.
No, no bitter.
What is
Try
it?
one.
Yeah, go ahead.
Go ahead.
なんか歯医者さんみたいな。
he
Just
said
he
like,
said
tastes
it.
like dentist.
え、でもわかる？え、食べた？
Mm.
え、わかる？何かさ、
You guys
食べた
so
こと
brave.
It's like, I don't know, this supermarket TNT.
Tastes like TNT?
Yeah.
Tastes like TNT.
なんか食べたことある感じの。
Yeah.
デンティスト。
What kind of dentist is that?
It's mine.
It's okay. It's not that sweet. It's interesting.
Interesting. Never tried out before.
I think first time.
Oh,
Yeah.
interesting.
I like it.
The smell is very weird.
Yeah, smell.
It's something I don't want to smell.
I know what you're talking about. Tastes okay.
Okay.
Yeah, it tastes like melon, but it's different.
Yeah.
Because they harvest it before it ripe, so they ripe by itself. That's why it's not so sweet. But when the fruit is ripe in the trees, they get all like the nutrition, and that's why they taste good. That's why every exotic fruit that you eat here in Canada or like whatever country, like Western country, it's not gonna be that strong flavor. Even like Mexican gonna say the avocado here is not that good, even it's coming from Mexico,
Oh.
because they harvest it when it's still like young.
Yeah.
Yeah, so they ripe it like here. So what's the name?
Papaya.
Yeah, that's a papaya. 1, 2, 3.
I'm the only one.
If it's
This papaya
sweet,
specifically.
Oh, that one's
If
yeah.
it's sweet, probably good.
Yeah. No.
That's true. Okay, what's next?
Yeah, what we left is this apple. Or pear.
I think I know.
I think here.
Guava?
Guava?
No.
I don't know.
I feel like guava is red. Isn't it?
Inside.
Inside.
Yeah.
But not.
Oh, is it?
After you
If it's red, then the guava, right?
Yeah.
Oh, maybe guava.
But it
I don't think
literally,
it's right.
Literally,
don't know
I
if
feels
it's
like
guava. I
I'm-
don't think it's red.
I'm cutting apple.
Oh.
Like a pear.
Ah, yeah.
With
Udi.
literally just a pear.
Udi.
Really?
Udi.
It's like a sticky
Again? Twice. Oh!
Tastes, it smells good.
Cucumber.
No.
I've tried that before, but I don't remember it, and maybe I'm right. No?
You know the smell?
Yeah.
Yeah. I feel.
Do I have to cut
I
a
don't know.
lot
Smells
more?
like
here.
It's very dry.
Smells like tomato.
I love to watch you guys.
No.
No.
Do you think I have
わか
to
った。あれだ。
peel a little
あれ
more?
なんだっけあれ。あ
How do you eat it?
どれ
How do you
れ。
eat
なんだっ
like
けあ
it?
れ。
ゴーヤ
I don't know.
じゃなくて、緑の。
キュウリ
でも似てるけど、
Yeah, it tastes
ズッ
like
キーニ、ズ
tomato.
ッキーニ。
あ、ズッキーニ
ズッキーニじゃない
Why is it so hard?
ズッキーニ
Wait.
It has a different shape, I think. ズッキー
I
ニ
think you can eat
Right.
the seed. Maybe not.
This is so hard.
Oh, then I have to remove it then.
I shouldn't have each seed.
Okay, let me cut it.
I'm struggling.
Let me
I
remove it.
cannot even bite.
Sorry.
It's so hard.
No, it is like that.
Oh, is it?
It is like that.
Okay.
Yeah.
What?
It is like that.
It's not
When
sweet at
it's
all.
super
Should I
ripe,
remove or not?
when it's super ripe, it's gonna be softy. But in this case, they are not ripe yet, so
It's
that's why
very
it's hard.
This
Yeah,
is so hard. No?
I know, but that's the meat. It's my favorite childhood fruit.
Really?
I just climb the trees and eat it like a monkey.
Really?
Yeah, it grows in my backyard. Like,
It does?
but yeah, when it's getting ripe, it's gonna be yellowish, the color,
Wow.
the skin
You mean
color,
inside or?
the outside,
Outside.
because green means like yeah, it's not ripe.
Not right.
Yeah. Okay, name.
うーん
No idea.
No idea.
Let's go like apple.
ライチ
Pear.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, it's guava.
You were right.
It is guava.
Is it?
Yeah.
Is it?
Guava
color?
has two. Yeah, there's
It's
a
red.
red one and that's this one, a white one.
Okay, so the two different types of guavas. Okay.
But the red one
Is
tastes like
it?
same.
Yeah, but
does?
I think the red it does. But when they're ripe, they have the same flavor. It's just the red one has the red color, and then with the white one, it's just white
Okay.
color. Yeah. So this is gonna be super sweet when it's ripe, the inside one. Okay, guava. 1, 2, 3. Okay. All right. So now we are coming to the king of the fruits.